Hi everybody, this is Pam with Jesusjunkjournals, and today I'm going to make the God's Valentine 4-flap box fold. And it's kind of funny because I designed this a few years ago and I guess I never made the video or it didn't get put on YouTube. So I'm going to make it today. And so here are the pages. There's only 4 pages, very easy. And so I'm going to cut the pieces out and I'm going to ink the edges with my distress ink, and then I'll be back. Okay, I've got all my pieces for the actual 4-flap folio inked. I just realized I don't have my little pieces inked, but that's okay. I'll do that later. So here we go. This is what we have. And we're gonna, there's 4 of flaps this size, and there's 2 of these, and these are, you picked which 2 you want to go at the top and bottom of this. So this one's, you could do that, and then on the reverse side we're going to glue these 4 flaps in. So I think I'm gonna, here's what you might want to look at. You're going to glue pockets on, and it's going to cover up part of the design. And so I think these little girls are super cute and I don't want to cover them up. So I'm going to wait, put that one on the outside and put this on the inside, I think. Let's see. Yeah, this one. Yeah, like that. And save these for the outside. So what I'm going to do, take these pockets off, is I am going to attach these 2 flaps, and I'm going to do that with some washi tape. So let me find a washi. Oh, you know what, before I do that, let me get the scoreboard, and we're going to score these 2 lines, these 2 fold lines. There we go. So fold these, and I'm going to kind of go back and forth. Okay, let me get this out of the way. We're going to attach our flaps with washi tape. And so I'm going to look for, I don't have a lot of red, so let me see what do I have. I got pink. That will work. Got pink floral. Well, that looks pretty good. I'll use that one. And then I'm going to use my PVA glue. I got glue because, as I always say, washi tape is not trustworthy as far as being archival. And archival just means, you know, will last 100 years. So if this is going to be some sort of a family heirloom, you want it to last, right? Okay, so center it. It's a little bit shorter than the inside panel, so center it, and then put your washi tape on. Okay, I'm good. And then up here at the top, and my tape. Okay, let me get it centered better. There. Okay, and then I always look to see if it folds pretty straight down. It does, and so does that. Now you can either put washi tape here just for how it looks or not, because it's already attached. And I kind of wish I had a narrower one. Do I have a narrower one? Yeah, I do. I'm going to use this one. It's a little bit skinnier. Mainly, it'll cover that fold line a little bit. And plus, it just adds a little bit of extra interest. Okay, I'm going to move it because I'm going to try and not infringe on those 3 hearts if I can help it. Let's see if I can get away from those. There. Okay. All right, and then make sure those fold in. I'm even going to take a bone folder and push that down really, really flat. Okay. So now we're going to glue the pockets on. So you've got this one, that one, that one, and then the squared off one goes up here at the bottom. So all you do is just put your glue around the edge to make a pocket. These are super easy, so I mean you could, I cut that out in probably 15 minutes maybe, I don't know. So you could really make several of these for your grandkids or your kids or whoever, and put a little gift card in there if you want, or whatever, or maybe just the scriptures, up to you, and make a really nice personalized Valentine. Okay. And then flip it over. And we've got our pockets. Let's see, I want that one where it's readable. Down here. I think those little girls are so cute. Okay, now all we're doing is gluing these on over the top of this flap. Like that. Same, and then all the way around. Now these are super cute if you take them to your sewing machine and stitch around them. I won't do that today, but I've done it in the past and it really kicks it up a notch, I'll say that. Now, I'm gonna fold, or we're gonna, I probably ought to wait for it to dry, but here's the tricky part. We wanna make sure that these don't meet, and they don't. And of course this doesn't, but we wanna make sure it all folds up nicely, and so far this one is, so that's great. Sometimes they if you get your flaps on just a little bit wonky, then when it folds up it binds, and so, and always when I glue these I have a little bit of white showing where something just didn't quite line up the way I wanted it to, and so what you can do is either just ink it with distress ink, or you can cut it off, and I'm gonna cut mine off. But feel free to cut as much as you need to on this. Cut it until it fits together the way you want it to. It's no big deal. I always have to chop on these to get them the way I want them. So let's see. Cut that off. So just kind of trim it up a little bit if you want. But, you know, distressing just takes care of most of this too. So if you want to just use Distress Ink to disguise any white flashes, you sure can do that. Okay, that looks pretty good. Now let me look the other side, make sure there's nothing. Now, I included pieces of ephemera that you can include in this. These little 4 flaps. These little 4 cards. You can ink the edge or not and then put those in. And then, as I mentioned, gift cards will fit in here. So if you want to give your daughter or son or grandkid a gift card for Valentine's Day, you just poke it in one of these 2 pockets here. And then I have a couple extras because I had room on the page. I had to make 4 pages, so I had these. Now what you can do is add this to the back like that. And so if you do that, you might want to add your own washi tape or some kind of decorative paper. And that one the same way. They're just going to be extra Valentines that you can either tuck in like that. But, so let's get to how you close it in case you don't know. It's just like folding a box. You're going to go like this and then lift it up and just tuck this under like that. Now, there's more than one way to fold it, obviously, and so what you want to do is look at it to see what you want to show on the outside. And so you might not want to cover that little girl up there. Maybe you want it to go this way. So you can do it this way and tuck this side in. So that's something to think about. But however you do it, all they have to do is open it up to be able to look at it. So no big deal. So that's it. Very, very simple. And so I'm going to post this, and hopefully you guys can make a bunch of these and have some cute Valentines. So thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next video. Bye-bye.